Yes, thank you, Jah. Wake me up this morning. What a night last night was. Today is all about fixing things. Shanice! Shanice! Shanice, baby!
Who that?
A fire rat.
What you want?
I want to talk to you because you went down last night, so I not too like, you know. I see you look good in the morning, you look beautiful like the rose them in the morning. So, we know say something good down last night where you feel say me do something wrong, when me know something do wrong because I wasn't doing anything wrong, but me carry some flowers to you in the morning for make up. Because I want you know say, me sorry, you see it? So, when I'm putting flowers, I put in a little water for make up for all the things them where you say me do wrong. Because me do nothing wrong though. So, I want you to take me back because I like when I decided. So, me and you is a perfect match. Me see you come with a big old mighty friend.
Yeah.
A bad man, she follow you to come fight me off, you know.
Yeah.
She no want you live happy, you know, girl.
That's true.
With you and fire, you know, the fire never stop burning, you know.
Yeah.
So me and say me no want you make them look at thing them mash up what we have, you know.
Yes.
Cause you know, say, last night you see me at the shop with the girl. You know me I talk to the girl about it's an engagement ring. Me I try make the source one. Cause me I pray for married but me not have the money. So me I surprise me I try surprise you. So you deal with me wicked. You understand?
Yeah.
Good man like me, you deal with me rough. But me know that you never know me there do, you know. So me have to tell you the secret what me there try to do. You see it?
Yeah.
So more you take me back in, man.
Fire, I'm apologize. I'm coming at the house then now.
If you come in,
Yeah, if you come in at the house.
so you forgive me.
Yeah, me forgive you.
And me forgive you too.
Alright.
Boy, what I do? Cool, you know?
Yeah.
Out there cool.
Yeah, cool.
Big man, no vlogging from the plaza, you know. No vlogging from the plaza, man. Come on, every time you come here, you vlog. You not would have give me your money in my hand.
But, man, it's not illegal for vlog on the plaza.
Not because of free plaza. You not really free pan this place. I mean, I protect you, so you have to give me something. So, if you can't give me something, leave.
Alright, come on.
Yeah, man. Good night, baby. Tired, this is
Good night, honey. Why you coming so late?
extra hours, you know? I have to let off when I start them and just take over the shift. You cook anything?
Yes, of course. Your favorite? Fish and crackers.
Wow.
So you don't bring nothing for me?
Your bula that you love.
Wow, thank you.
Specially made.
Yes, I love it. Looking very nice. I hope it tastes good. I was going down in your workplace today. Me hear say down there bad up some boy.
Who tell you that?
Me just hear people talk, man.
Listen, baby, nobody now run me off of my job, you know. Because you see my job, and me response to my job. So if you're in company, they could even come with 6 guns. Me I beat them with my stick.
It look like you one dead left me. You know hear about them the boy they down at the plaza? A bad boy them.
Yendi. Yendi. You know, so me take back fire ass in my house.
You taking fire ass back. The same dirty boy where you used to mine. I mean, you have to go strip the boy and beat him.
Yes, him said one.
Why he said to you make you really take him back?
When he said to me,
Eh.
he carry flowers to me, you know, and tell me I'm beautiful.
So our man really are somebody really have to look upon you and tell us you're beautiful before you know say you're beautiful.
I can't bother with the long talking right now, because me and my work down the road if I go do right now, you know, girl. So, me I go do my work right now. Any day your man gear bun, you figure it out.
Miss,
Yes?
me care about them panty account here now. Almost 1 year now me buy them and me man I say boy they no top bus up on him. Me want back the money, you know.
Me
Hold
don't
this.
want them back, you know. Me don't want them back because your woman with them for 1 year already and never bust up on it. So take you and go on with it because me don't want it back.
You don't want them back?
No, me don't want them back. We don't do refund around here. So what you do? And I say I sell me, they sell, man. Eh? I say, hey, dirty boy, man, now you come dash a jazz in my pan, but I say I sell me, they sell, man. And your woman wear the jazz and you sit there, man. And I'll take up you and fling you away, man. Man, I wear the jazz, let me know. Man, I wear the jazz, let me know.
I know me attack. With the old dry rotten sitting them. What?
Dirty boy. Chase someone come chase me a 2 tongue. Me pack up me sitting there and left that place, you know, because the boy get on the wrong side, you know. Fire! Fire!
What do you know?
Come help me now. Come here.
You know, I look here, I wake up in a car, man.
Yeah.
Take things about goods and go down go try sell and make a money. You never have a partner for play.
Yeah.
That play around, man. Left yard, man. When me say one yard for clean, you get paid for a yard.
No.
Or up and go and say make some money, you know, because you're part of the pay, you know.
Yeah.
And the partner job come and want something out of it, you know.
Yeah, man, you get something out of it.
Yeah, because you say you love me.
Yeah, me love you.
Alright, so you have to pay for your loving. Or up and go down in the town go work where you work. You're a good girl, you know.
Yeah, man, me know.
And I follow nobody say.
Yeah.
I love you.
Me love you too.
Alright, go and go do your thing. And no disturb me now, man. Me I try well rest. I work enough last night already.
What you do, yeah?
You me come look and want to talk to you, you know.
We want to talk to me, sir, now.
Why, right now, want you back, you know.
Me put it out already, you know. And me have a new man up on my yard. So it's too late. It can't happen again.
Which new man you talk about?
The
What you talk
fireman.
about? What you talk about? Which fire?
Think me not gonna tell me, man, what you do me?
What no? I'm my yard this, me no response.
Fire! Fire!
Awa!
You know, say Joe hold up from press and make me turn up.
Who named Joe?
Joe, me ex, man.
When you look for?
She want to come back. And me tell him, say, he can't come back and you up here now.
Yo, where the
You
woman
me
for?
no lick you man in the
Eh?
brother.
Where the
Me no
woman
lick
for?
you man
He
in
lick
the
you a while ago.
Yeah, lick me a while ago.
We party lick you.
Up here, sir.
Lick him back.
And me they give them back.
Never lick you. Never lick you yet.
Yes.
Never lick you yet.
Yes.
Loyal girl, never lick you yet.
Yes.
Loyal
Yes.
girl, never lick you yet.
Yes.
You're
Yes.
wicked, you know.
Yes.
You're wicked.
What, baby? That's why I can't give you money, you know. Bakery have a park, you know.
You look nice, for sure.
What you mean?
Sexy.
You're
I
the
love
apple,
your body.
you're the apple of my eyes, you know.
Yes.
Not the one on the iPhone, the one in
Alright.
the real life.
Yes, baby.
Yeah.
Babes, you know, say, me get one call to go a country.
Country.
Yes.
Boy, me miss it crackers and tea, but me not have a problem, baby. You know, so me can't
So
take care of
how the
myself.
breakfast and you did in a part of go?
No worry about that, baby. Remember, say me hand no left over my mother, you know. Me can look about it. I can steam crackers and make tea.
I want to make sure say you're alright before me leave.
Remember, you know, when I go to work, you know, I can buy food on the road. So
That's
you
why
don't
me
have
have
to
to love you,
fret.
so, you know. That's why me
Yeah.
have to love you, so. Yeah, good man. Good man.
Good man, because
Yeah.
that's why. Me not give you no money, you know.
No, me know say you not give me no money. You're mad.
Any woman call off a hype on the road, you know, me just run them, you know. Sometimes they come to the plaza and they have a thing to wait some minutes.
You're my man. Me know say I
Yeah.
saw you stay and there with no girl with me. And
Yeah.
you a good man.
No worry, I'll get some money and go up a country, so spend all 2 months.
Alright, baby, guess what? Me I'm going to take up the clothes.
2 months.
Me soon come.
Yeah.
So the boy don't know what he do, you know. So the boy don't know what he do. You know. Him see my woman, now my woman for go work. Go work here now because bills have to pay, you know. And him assault my woman in front of. I kill him once, somebody kill him, you know. And I in a mama yard, him man come. If I kill him on this property, everything good.
But when you kill him and he gone up, you gone up prison, you know,
No,
piece
me
of
not
shit.
got prison self-defense. It's Shani's property. What am I do over here, so? And me control Shani's property over here, so. The judge have to set me free.
Then nah do that. Me I tell you.
Done, man. Done. Done, me say done.
Done what?
Done. A killer want kill him, man.
You can't if you can't defend you. So
When
when
me
you
thank you for your defense, me star. But up at the yard, more you go.
I can't show me get too tight, you know. Come on, go for your
Come on, man.
Fire this not over, you know. You not done here, sir.
Boy, baby, I tell you, say, Shani's and the new man over there. And fight one next man, the man look like him foot broke. He have a walking tick and ground.
I lie.
And Rasta have a tick and me have to take off Rasta. Man.
So what cost that?
Me don't know about all me know Rasta determined me kill the man. But me don't know, you don't have to go ask our friend.
Make sure say you not put yourself in a nobody business, you know.
Listen, baby, you know say me are different, man. Yeah, but me go, my heart and sweaty, you know, cause the fight.
So
So
you
now,
can go and go have a shower now, baby.
okay, baby.
Me I carry towel for you in a bathroom.
No problem, honey.
Alright, baby. I want me to go on up your yard.
Big old fight happened today. They say my ex-man want to come back and me can't take him back. And Fires have to beat him up and him a try lick me.
Really?
Yeah. You see something tell us Fires a good man.
Alright,
Later
man.
me I go down the road go sell.
Girl, I don't even know how me upset right now. Me say me go forget some money on the machine take with my card, girl, and me want to do me here if you come on your birthday tomorrow. Me here, if you ever see me here, stay up on the roadside. I'm so upset right now, I don't even know. I'm mad.
It's my lucky day today.
Excuse me, I see me up on my phone.
And angel like you is on my job, baby.
Look here, me have a whole heap of problem on my head right now. Me not have time for your foolishness. Me up on my phone.
I'll never see that, sweetie, but you're on my job.
You blind or something?
Are you blind? Don't you see me in my suit?
And don't they teach you not to invade in people's conversation?
I'm sorry, Mom. But a beautiful girl like you draw a connection between me and you.
Hold on, just a sec. Girl, me soon talk to you, because the youth get on top of my nerves. We need to find out what's going on. That's me. Alright, later.
I overheard you on your phone said your card get takeaway. Is that true?
Yes, and your point is hard.
I can pay to do you here. How much that costs?
It's not only here. You know what something I have to do?
Name it. Listen, I don't go to machine. I just tap a people card. I just do anything. Where you wanna go? I send the money there.
I mean, no man not gonna just do something like that and I want something in return.
Listen, baby. Listen. Let me tell you this. I can't talk this. This is very private.
So babes, how you tell for your man say you're there?
Oh, you know, so I tell him say me I go down and one of my friend them.
Remember to like and subscribe. And now today me a big up Damian for your support, cause you wanna real member them at the fan club who are sending the money if you can help we do the production when the time is right.